Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I'm using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Hello and welcome. You may have noticed that ChatGPT no longer has the Sora application inside of the ChatGPT. The Sora interface is now its own website at sora.chatgpt.com, and the interface is entirely different, as well as the operation of the platform, as well as the videos produced. Sora now allows individuals to produce videos with sound. For example, you will see that if we click on this video, you will not only see the video, but you will hear sounds generated by the creator of the video.
That's it, Nandi. Let him say hi.
And you will find that to be the case for all of the videos.
You know, when you double tap the screen, nothing will happen.
And so you will see this inside of the platform. You will also see that there is a prompt area and a different interface. The settings application is going to be different. And for individuals that want the old application, they can switch back. Now, if you don't see the application, you will need an invite code in order to join the new Sora. The new Sora application is now based on individuals who have profiles on the platform. There's a video course that will walk you through the basics of getting started with Sora. If you'd like to find out more about it, check out the link you see on your screen.